Robert Henry on the carry.
That's all right. We'll just stay left right here. Well, there's one on the other side.
Henry again on the carry for no gain. Garrett Arms. Flag. Brandon Smith. Kick rolling dead at about the McCracken on the carry, up to about the 29. McCracken. Henry and Brown. Arm is kicked down. First and 10 for the G-Men from their own 28. Henry on the carry. Stop by the center. Gain of 5 on the play. Second down and 5. Henry again on the carry. Up to about the 35. Robert. First and 10 for the G-Men. 41-yard line of Richlands. Barrett on the carry. Henry on the carry. Henry stopped by Brown on the carry. Brown on the carry. Nathan Brink in punt formation for the G-Men. Deep for Richlands, Addison and Smith. Addison on the carry. Up to almost. And get plenty of cold drinks and hot dogs, popcorn and candy. Justin McCracken. Justin the tornado from their own 45. Third down and 5. Pitch to Jennings, down by Steve Brown, beat for the G-Men.
Tall guy.
Play. Oh, Henry on the carry. Brown on the carry, stopped at the center of the line. Community Home Care Services, Kid Tire and Auto Parts. Fly, American Carpet Carry. Burlington Pump-O-Mation, Deep Smith. And Addison taking the kick on his own 45. Come on, Dan. Caleb. Fajardo's kick is good. Kicking for Richlands be number 46, Jayhart. Henry and Brown deep for the G-Men. Brown taking the kick at his own 15. Stop made by number 8, Anthony Miller. Brown on the kickback. Henry on the carry. Ben Addison, number 28, Brandon Smith. Smith on the return. McCracken pass. Number 5. Fajardo kicking up and good. Brent Clinton, grade 6 through 12. Kicking for the Tornado to number 46, Gayhart. First and 10 for the Blues from the G-Men 38. Okay, from the G-Men 30. McCracken on the carry. McCracken on the quarterback keeper. And from the 30-yard line. Henry right at the goal line and confirmation for the G-Men. Addison. Harrison. Jerry Harrison in for 6. Fajardo's kick is up. Put down by Claiborne again. Henry and Brown beat for return by first and 10 for the G-Men from the Tornado 47. Yost back, passing, broken up. Kristen Meade, Chase Meade, Brittany Meadows, Caitlin Trent. Fourth and 1 for the G-Men from the 39-yard line of the Tornado. Caleb Jenny. Second down 5 for the Blues. Jennings on a carry, no gain. Number 16, Phil Mahood kicking for the G-Man. Taken up by Brandon Smith. Flag on the play. Jennings on the carry. Flag on the play over the one.
You're talking about you,
Jennings on the carry. Anthony Miller on. Brett Claiborne driving over the face. First and 10, Blues. It's number 371088 if you'll come to the press box. Third down and 10 for the Tornado. On the kick, double, down at the 25. The first and 10 for the Blues from the G-Man 25. 1088. First and 10 for the G-Man from their own 5. Penalty down to the 10 will be first and 15. 20 for the G-men from their own 5. Flag prior to the one deep for Richlands. Number 20, Ben Addison. Number 28, Brandon Smith. Good roll down to the 45-yard line, to 45. Greenings on the carry 5. This week. No, wait till that's 05 birthday. The Hardo's kick is up and no good. Pit maintenance for their lining of the field. Delacino's Pizza and Grinders. Brown taking a kick at his own 30 up to about the 40. Memory of Phyllis. Integrity Motors, Century 21. G-men's ball first and 10 from their own 40. Henry on the carry. Teams from grade 6 through 12. Brown on the carry. And from their own 40. Number 81, Nathan Branch, kicking for the G-men. Brandon Smith on the return for no return. Carter recovering for the G-men. Number 1, Robert Henry on the carry. In front of the middle school at the Richlands High School band trailer. Brown on the carry. Scott made a church for grade 6 through 12. That's down beside Rainey Automotive in 14. Second and 14. Yost on the carry. Yost back to pass. Incomplete, broken up by DJ. 4th and 17. for the G-Man on the 20-35. Thank you, Dr. Oliver. McCracken back to play. CJ Arms in confirmation, deep, number 1, Robert Henry. And Brown, number... Brown, back. Take it down, back. Barreras on the carry. Yo, fast later. Out of bounds kick up at about the 40-yard line. Number 1 off the second down 5 for the Blues. Fuller. Austin Fuller. Up enough yardage.